Introducing Mazda's latest addition to its midsize sedan lineup, the sleek and versatile Mazda 6. This sophisticated vehicle boasts a contemporary appearance, heightened speed, and unparalleled versatility, setting it apart in the midsize sedan category. Embarking on the next generation, the interior of the upcoming Mazda 6 promises a fusion of luxury and modernity. Expect a high-quality media player and robust construction for an elevated driving experience. Furthermore, the 2025 model will showcase cutting-edge safety technology, including autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, all standard features aimed at ensuring passenger protection. As we eagerly await the official details on the 2025 Mazda 6 from the company, rumors circulate about a futuristic design that marries sportiness with luxury. The exterior is said to feature a more aggressive and dynamic appearance, characterized by a revamped grille, narrower headlamps, and a lower, wider stance. Enhanced visibility at night is ensured by the fresh LED light bar on the vehicle's back end. While the exact release date for the 2025 Mazda 6 remains uncertain, speculation suggests it could enter production as early as 2024. With an anticipated unveiling in the latter half of 2024, enthusiasts will need to exercise patience. Pricing details are also unavailable at this time, but considering the trend, the 2025 model is likely to offer an array of trim levels at slightly higher prices compared to its predecessors. Under the hood, the mystery surrounding the next Mazda 6 begins to unfold. The potent sedan is expected to deliver agile handling, outstanding cornering grip, and a robust dual-motor engine. Powered by a 335 horsepower engine and an electric motor for the back wheels, Mazda claims an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 3.7 seconds. To counter any doubts about its athleticism, the 2019 Mazda 6 comes equipped with active anti-roll bars, a sharper suspension tune, bigger tires, and rear-wheel steering with standard 18-inch wheels. The 335 horsepower all-wheel drive Mazda 6 boasts an estimated EPA range of 300 miles, which increases to 282 miles with optional 19-inch wheels. Charging is quick and efficient, with the ability to gain an additional 88 to 108 miles in just 10 minutes, thanks to the 200 kilowatt charging capacity. Stay tuned for more updates on the 2025 Mazda 6, and in the meantime, explore the impressive features and performance that Mazda has consistently delivered. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey.